wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have less than an hour to get ready. It wouldn't be me if I wasn't rushing out the door. But as you can see by the title, today I am trying something that I tried in the winter to see if I like it in the summer. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So for some reason the other day I thought like, I want to use this. And then I thought about it and realized this came out earlier this year. I want to say either late last year or early this year, sometime December, January. That's winter, right? And I really liked it. And I thought about it and I was like, let me try it on camera now and do like a wear test now, I guess like an update type thing, to see if I like it just as much in the summer and how it holds up in the summer, especially when I have oily skin, compared to when I tried it in the winter. So this is, if you didn't see the original video, this is the Covergirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence in the shade 70, I believe. This is the shade that I use. I use a couple. Well, they sent me all of the shades, but I believe I can use 2 of them. And this is a good dupe for the Chanel water tint, which is like $70. So I'm going to use this. Let's go. Okay, let's see. It's 1 pump, 2. Is this the shade that I use? It's gonna be the shade I use today. So this is the foundation on my face, no other makeup. I am blending out my concealer. Hello, everything is literally melting into my face. Now granted, I already told y'all when my skin is looking better, that's just when you know that my mental health is doing better. So ever since I moved, been able to settle in, I've gotten back on my skincare. So when your skin is doing better, makeup is going to apply better. But I feel like it also has something to do with the makeup that I am wearing, because skin, yeah. All right, so I am about 9 minutes late, but that's okay because y'all's friend is like 15 minutes late. So I'm technically on time. Girl math. This is how my face came out. This is how my face looks before I leave for the day. So I'm going to go, I'm going to be outside. So we definitely putting this to the test, and then I will come back and give you guys, well, show you guys what it looks like on the face, and then give you any updates, if I still feel the same way, if I feel like anything's changed, if it got better, worse, y'all know. So I'll see you later. Okay, y'all, so it is 9:31, and this is what my face looks like. Baby, when I tell you today has drained me. Okay, I feel like I've been through every season today. I'm outside, they talking about heat advisory, hot, okay, sweat dripping from places I didn't even know existed. Next thing you know, it's tsunami outside. I get caught outside in the rain. Then I get home. I did go eat in between there, so the food put me to sleep. I finally wake up from the sleep maybe like an hour or 2 ago, feeling like I can't breathe out my damn, like the feeling of allergies. Like you would have thought there was pollen all over my apartment. All I need is snow today. But this is what my face looks like after all of that, after rain, after sweat, after the sun. Now, she's oily, okay? I got oily skin. I don't recall this foundation saying anything about it being mattifying, which given the formula of this, it probably wouldn't. But let me actually pull up the facts of this foundation. Okay, so this retails for $21.49. Perfect for sensitive skin. The skin plumping formula reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increases skin firmness. It was not going to do anything like mattifying. Definitely a skin-like finish to your face. If you guys, or I believe I said it before I left for the day, that like everything was just blending in so nice on the skin. like everything you put on top of it, blend it out really nice. It really gives you that like skin-like finish, like the Chanel foundation does as well. And this is how it looks hours later. So I am gonna go ahead and blot, but like it's very much so my T-zone area that is giving, it is giving like came from the gym. Like sometimes I be oily, but it's giving like that glow that comes from within, but it's also 9 hours later. So let me go ahead and blot my face, and I finally found my blotting paper. So go ahead and use that. And you use the blotting paper because the blotting paper is just going to take the oil away. It doesn't necessarily take the, like you're not going to get as much transfer when you use that. So these little Dior blotting papers, and I'm just gonna blot. So that is one side. Actually, that is one side blotted, other side not. Let me go ahead again. What that looks like. So that's what it looks like right before blotting it. My nose especially needed that blot. So that's what it looks like after I blot my face. Now, after I blot my face, it's giving that makeup look when makeup is like really cooked into your skin. So sometimes all it takes is a little blotting, but you know, obviously I don't blot, so you can see like really how it holds up on its own throughout the day. I usually sweat above my eyebrows, and that's what my skin looks like after that. Now keep in mind, I did use that setting spray I told you guys in the last makeup video that I uploaded, that L'Oreal one. People are like, is it a dupe for one size? It's the closest you're gonna get for a dupe. I know that like Makeup Revolution I said was a dupe, but nah, this is dupe. Makeup Revolution and I'm pretty sure the Makeup Revolution was formulated to be a dupe of one size, but if L'Oreal was trying to dupe one size with this setting spray, L'Oreal got closer than Makeup Revolution did. So definitely like a drugstore type dupe. Would I say the e.l.f. is a dupe for one size? No, but they act very similar, and the two together will also keep your makeup together this summer. So the one size, the e.l.f. spray or the L'Oreal spray, and if you use this foundation during the summer, I think like you'll be all right for whatever the occasion is that you're going for. But do I think that it held up as well through everything that I've been through today compared to when I tried it in the winter? No. So that's also why I wanted to come back and try it in the summer, just so I could see, like, I know I really liked it. Then do I really like it now, and does it really hold up like I feel like it did in the winter? I feel like slight differences in how it holds up during the summer and the winter. Like I said, once I blotted that, face is still giving, and it's going on almost 10 hours after I originally put it on. And honestly, like 10 hours is a lot longer than I am going to have makeup on for normal occasions when I'm not, you know, doing a wear test or something like that. Lost my train of thought. Drea was like, oh, because I said I was gonna go home and take the nap. She was like, with the makeup on? I was like, yeah. Why don't you just wrap the video up, you know, when you get home? I was like, because I just like, you know, leaving it on as long as possible just to see how it's going to be as long as I have it on, especially because these makeup companies be talking about some 36, you know, 72 hours. I don't know who's wearing makeup that long, but I'm going to test it out. And that is how it comes out on my face. But I still feel like it has the finish that I really liked when I first tried it. It looks really good on the skin. Like I said, other products blend in really well with it. It is $21, which is a little steep for drugstore, but I do feel like it is a good foundation to check out. And I'm happy that I picked it up. I just randomly felt like trying it again within the last few days, and I was going out today. So I was like, let me go ahead. Oh, and I took a picture today, and it looked really good in the picture as well. So it photographs really nicely as well. So if you were looking for a drugstore, again, I know a little more expensive, but if you're looking for a drugstore foundation that, you know, get a little bit of money off compared to other foundations and will hold up well in the summer, even if you do not have oily skin, that is certainly one to consider. And I hope seeing me test this out has helped if you wanted like a little update, or if you wanted to know like how it's going to work in the summer. Let me know if there are any other products that I tried earlier that you want to see what it looks like in the summer. I'm trying to think, I think I tried that All About Face in the winter, so I'm not sure how it holds up in the summer, but let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Yeah, I just woke up, but I'm ready to go back to sleep. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.